Who are you?
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm from Yahoo Developer Network. I'm an international developer evangelist, so I'm an IDE on my own. And yeah, I'm here at Mashed in London, and it's quite fun. And it's the second day, and we're all rather tired, and we're getting there to the end of it, and there's soon going to be the hack presentations.
Okay. What do you do for Yahoo YUI?
Well, I work as an evangelist for the Yahoo Developer Network, which entices everything we do, and it's basically making developers happy and listening to them what they want and giving them information and tools to play with and tools to hack with. And YUI is one of them, which is a big library and a whole development network and methodology. So it starts from patterns, like how to people pick dates, what's the best way of doing it. If you want to build your site, you don't have to think about it. You can actually go to the YDN site and find research that we've done with real users and found out how they do it, and you can use it for yourself. It's Creative Commons, it's completely open, so you can go from there. It goes on then with CSS frameworks to build websites or web applications that look the same, work the same across the different browsers. Then we have the JavaScript framework, which actually makes browsers behave properly compared to just behave the way they want to. And then there's widgets, like if you want to have a tab bar, if you want to have a rich text editor, if you want to have a panel or a color picker, you can actually use these out of the box already without having to do them yourself. And it ends with release tools, like tools for blogging, tools for profiling your JavaScripts, and also tools for finding out why your site is slow. There's an extension for Firefox called YSlow that actually you can run over your website, and we give you tips how you can improve the performance of it.
Excellent. You were lecturing here yesterday morning. What were you lecturing about?
Well, I was giving a presentation. It was not really a lecture, but I was talking about YUI and basically how big it really is, because a lot of people think it's a JavaScript library, which it isn't. It's a lot more. And I was talking about SearchMonkey, which is a new tool that we released, which allows you to style search results in Yahoo Search according to what you want them to be. So instead of the boring stuff that we found and know about your site, you can put in information from your site that is in your HTML that is more interesting and more appealing. You can put in photos, you can put in links that go deeper into your website, and people install that in their Yahoo profile, and every time they come to a search result that links to your page, you will have a different look and feel.
And what are you working on? What are you hacking on at Mashed?
I was hacking some of the BBC things. BBC released a database of 300 terabyte of video, audio, and all kind of things that you can play with, which will be offline after this event. So I built an accessible interface to that for blind people and people with learning disabilities that basically can search for audio programs and then just play them easily in the browser. And as this one will be offline, I also did one for SlideShare, which basically is a slide sharing tool online which has a pretty tricky interface at times, so I made one that is more compatible with screen readers.
Excellent. Thank you ever so much.
You're welcome.